if you have received any attachments in Microsoft Outlook, then what you can also do is you can directly add those attachments onto your OneDrive from Microsoft Outlook. So I already have Microsoft Outlook opened up, and here you can see that I have an email with an attachment over here that is due to PDF, as you can see right here. So you can go around and download it, but over here you can see that for the attachment, you have an option called Save All to OneDrive as well. So if I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that it saves out everything, as you can see right here. It downloads out everything onto OneDrive right here. You can also go around and see like view in OneDrive right here after it is actually downloaded. So over here in my OneDrive, you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go around and refresh out OneDrive over here. You can see that attachment folder has been created, and inside of this attachment folder you got all of the attachment from your mail directly. So you can also do that, as you can see. You can also click on view in OneDrive and it opens up the same exact folder, that is the attachment folder, as you can see, with all of the details over here, just like this. And that is how you can save Outlook attachments directly to OneDrive as well, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.